0-frame 1080p. The 15.6 portable monitor features a large IPS screen with 93% higher screen-to-body ratio. Its full-screen design enhancing screen utilization. The screen boasts a resolution of 1920 x 1080 with a brightness of 300 nits and supports a 178-degree wide viewing angle, delivering accurate and bright colors and astonishing viewing. The monitor supports HDR mode and features an anti-glare matte screen with low blue light eye protection, making it flicker-free and more comfortable. Upgraded 20% sRGB. The screen's color gamut has been enhanced from 72% to 120%, an overall increase of 66%, resulting in finer image quality and more vibrant visuals. With a 16.9 aspect ratio, the screen supports 16.7 million colors, boasts a 1000:1 contrast ratio, and offers a 60 Hz refresh rate. Enjoy a seamless, lag-free experience with more realistic colors and images, providing you with an astonishing viewing and gaming experience. Wide compatibility and plug and play. With 2 full-function Type-C ports and 1 mini HDMI port, our portable additional monitor works seamlessly for laptops, desktops, tablets, smartphones, Switch, PS4, 5, and Xbox. Connect in one step with a full-function Type-C device. For devices with HDMI and USB-A ports, it still works flawlessly. Full-function Type-C enabled smartphones, gaming consoles, and tablets enjoy a tidy one-cable connection. No Type-C port? No problem. Use an adapter to connect, and our reverse charging feature keeps both your device and display powered for instant screen expansion. Supported systems: macOS, Windows, Android, Linux, Chrome OS, adapter not included. Sturdy protective cover and stand. Equipped with an anti-scratch screen cover made from durable PU leather. The exterior features a Kevlar-like texture process, which is harder and more wear-resistant, providing comprehensive protection for portable external laptop monitor. Equipped with a non-detachable, non-magnetic stand, supports 2 levels of horizontal adjustment.